Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I will do some simple Matlab operation explanation. Today I will explain how to use colon operator and Linspace, and I will try to give explanation what is the difference between them and when we will use colon operator and when we will use Linspace. Let's do some examples. At first I will do this one, colon operator, and we have to do a row vector, not column vector. And now the minimum is 2 and the maximum is 7 and the increment is 1. When the increment is 1, you can just write 2 colon 7 and the automatically increment is 1. If you see this question, the increment is 0.2 and it starts from 1.1000 till 1.7000. I can write like this one, 1.1000, increment is 0.2 and goes till 1.7000, and it shows the result like this. And if the increment is negative, you can just write increment in negative. Here it starts from 8 and ends in 2. We can just write 8 colon negative 2 colon 2. So this is the result. Now the difference between Linspace and colon is, for colon we know the increments and for the Linspace we know how many elements are there. So for example, in this question from 2 till 3 the increment is 0.2. How many elements are there we have to know, and then we have to do Linspace. Then we can use Linspace because in the question it says write an expression using Linspace that will result in the same as 2 colon 0.2 colon 3. So first we do the colon operator and see how many elements are there. And now we have 6 elements. Now I show how to use Linspace. We give the beginning and the end points and then the element numbers, and we get the result. Now if we use instead of 6 5, let's see what are the results. And we see the space now is higher, the increment is higher because there is now only 5 elements. So now let's do the next one. We have to create a vector of 50 elements that range equally spaced from 0 to 2 pi. So we know the elements, we don't know the increment, so we should use Linspace operation here. Thus I can write Linspace from 0 till 2 pi and the element is 50 and I get the results. And it starts from 0, ends in 2 pi, and the increment is 0.1282. Now let's do the end question using the colon operator and also the Linspace function. Make the following row vectors. So in A, the increment is 1 from -5 till -1. We can just write -5 till -1 and we get the result. The increment is automatically 1, we don't have to write that one here. And there is 5 elements, so we can directly write Linspace that Linspace -5, -1, 5, and we get the same result. Let's see that. And for the next question, if we do the Linspace first, we can see from 5 till 9 there is 3 elements. So I can say Linspace 5, 9, 3. And we can see the result 579, so it's the same as the question. And if we use the colon operator, we just can write 5, 2, 9 because the increment is 2, and we'll get the same result. So the last question is its negative increment. We can just write 8 colon -2 colon 4, and for the Linspace it's just 3 elements, so we can write the same Linspace 8, 4, 3. Thank you for watching, guys. If you guys have any question, just let me know. Thank you. Bye.